Hi guys, today I've got with me somebody who's extremely senior, and by the way, for the first time that I ever had makeup put on me, he did it. Aniruddha Chakladar, Aniruddha for us.
Hello.
Hi.
Just like ages now you're in a complete different role. Good.
But I'm so glad that you actually agreed to do it. I was
Of
like,
course,
boy,
I had to do it. When you ask for something, it's very difficult to
Oh,
refuse.
thank you so much.
So tell me, what are we
কি
doing today?
করছি আমরা? তুমি বলো, you're the master.
Okay,
You're
I
going to
know
tell
the
me.
things you are doing right now with those extensions and everything are really amazing. And what I feel, okay, these extensions at times what we do is we use it for enhancement. But certain times we need it as a requirement also. Okay, so suppose we have got a little problem with a little thinning hair or something like that. So that can be very easily camouflaged if you have these extensions on.
Yes.
So and they are very easily usable.
Yeah.
You can do it. You don't need a professional to fix it on you every time. You can do it yourself. So only a little hands-on job
like
is
kind of
required.
learn how to fix it and then you put
Basically.
on. Yeah.
So today what we are going to do is like I'm going to use it to cover up a little bit of the thinning part of the hair so that it gives natural look,
Yeah.
not too much of an enhancement, keeping the natural element yet making it a little
Yeah, and it's like
fuller.
sort of because it's not too heavy and it's natural.
Yeah.
So even if a person is going to work or something else,
This is
they
daily
can move
usable,
around.
what I feel.
Yeah.
The one you have today, the one we are using today, is a very daily usable. So let's start with the thing, comb the hair, creating a little space.
So our model today is
Acha, she's Shubhamita and
extremely sweet to come and volunteer to be our model.
yes.
Aniruddha's muse.
So let's start. In the right position. So what happens when you put the clips in the right position without pulling the hair, then because at times what happens when you put these clips, they tend to pull your hair. So you have to keep in mind that they don't pull your hair. If they pull your hair, then there might be a little
Discomfort and the hair
and
will also
breaking.
break.
Once you fix it, then properly done. Now you see, it's like very natural. They're taking out a bit of hair from a natural cell. A natural hair is getting nicely covered with the element. So now once you have fixed it, so see this you can keep it even like a natural open. But what I feel whenever you are putting an extension or something of that sort, if you give a little styling, a little tie up or fix it, it gives a more. After all, it's an extension. It's something like an extra body, right? So that needs to be little more tamed down. Otherwise, it looks very sort of like this is covering like a full head.
Yeah.
So you need to give it a little more. Not texture rather, you need to fix it a bit so that it gives a more
Little style also.
and natural self. with the absolutely natural self and with your loose hair.
Just quick fix and both the strands.
And then to secure factor is needed because otherwise there's a possibility you might feel little uncomfortable.
True. Yeah. Anybody can actually feel that way.
Yeah.